Welcome back to the channel, guys. We will be continuing our food adventures here in Munich, Germany. And for every friends who have been here, if you think that Munich is just about fried food and beer, something will be shocking to you. Do you know that there's cuisines right in German that is super sour? It's like eating a lemon but much more sour than that. That will be the agenda for today's meal to see all this dish what is it about. So for a start, let's start with this meatball soup. It's made by grinding down the liver and making it into a dumplings. And this is probably the only soup right that is not sour. It tastes pretty meaty and heavy, which is pretty nice, but that's just the start of the meal. Now my nightmare officially starts. All these dishes that we order right are all sour based. This dish is a side called blowcoat, followed with braised pork cheeks, another sour dish, and finally we'll be having this fried pork cutlets paired with some yellow pickles, and yes, it's sour also. So let's skip back to the first one, the blowcoat. It's actually a red cabbage. And why is it purple? Because the color actually depends on the soil. And by adding vinegar, right, it can turn into this red beautiful color. A great way to preserve vegetables through the long winter. But of course it's too sour and it's really hard to keep eating it. Next up is the fried pork cutlet. It still tastes fine. It's great meat after all. But if you pair it with the sour-based pickles, I won't be sure if you can keep eating it. If you actually notice right, the Germans eat a lot of pork, right? Well, it's because it's very easy to raise pork back in this forest region. So that's why it appears so much in German dish. As back in the olden days, the food resource is not that much. So nothing is being raised. The organs, the meat, everything is being eaten just fine. Next, we'll be moving on with this braised pork cheek being slowly cooked in red wine for hours. The meat has been broken down that is so tender, right, that the spoon just glides through it. Very tender. But you guessed it right, the gravy is sour based. After all, it's made with red wine. Of course, it's acidic, right? So you will never get bored while you eat because every bite is very sourful. Well, not that I'm complaining. Everybody loves tender dish. Like me, I really love a great tender meat. The only thing right is that the sourness is something to be taken note. I guess in here right, every dish have a vinegar kick. I'm a fan of meat, but if you add sour insides, I'm really scared of this. It's a culture shock for my tongue, definitely. Can you imagine my poor tongue, how it's feeling when the vegetables, the meat, the sauce, everything is sour? It don't really have a choice here. So I'm actually gobbling down lots of water as I'm eating. Of course, I do understand because back in the old days, the weather is so cold, you really need to have a way to preserve your food. So sourness is a great way to do that. This is a culture issue. And as a traveler, you got to respect every place culture, right? On the hidden side, this pork cutlet, right, inside have cheese. The only thing that's not sour but more salty is a save to my tongue. Are you a fan of sour food? Do you think all these dishes right are too much to be soured? Or you are okay with it? Comment down below and let us know your thoughts. Well, it's always great to explore food all around the world. And don't forget to subscribe to Jay's Journey as we keep exploring more foods around Germany.